Hi, I'm Piyush, and this is the LibreChat assignment that was given to me. Um, so I extended the repo with three things. One is the contacts data model. So this data model consists of two categories of fields. One is the one that I will always know, like user ID, name, company. These are the things that will probably exist from before. And the next is the attributes. Attributes will contain data like location, some codes, the city, and all. The another thing that I added was the import endpoint, which is contact.js. So this is basically using Multer to upload files. The limit I added was of 200 MB. Anything more than 200 MB will be rejected. Another thing that I added was contact lookup.js. This is the tool that will help me to add, to query contacts. Now let me take you through the end-to-end flow. Um, this is the contacts endpoint where you can add a new contact or import a CSV. Let's start by adding a new contact. Uh, I will add it. Piyush company, let's say Winterfell, role is full stack developer, email is this, notes, I am a full stack dev. I'll click on save here. And when I go to the contacts, I see a contact got appended here. Now to talk to the contacts, I need an agent that will have this tool uh, and it will query this contact. So let me create a agent. I'll name it as contact agent. The description would be this is an oh yeah, the description is this. It's an agent that talks to all your contacts. The category would be general. For the instruction, I wrote a system prompt. Let me just paste it. This is an important part of the whole flow because this is the instruction that would be followed by the LLM whenever it queries to my contacts. The instruction, let me read it out for you once. So it says that you have a search contacts tool that queries the user's contacts in the MongoDB database. So whenever a user asks about people, company, role, or email, always call this tool first and use this tool's JSON which would be the response by MongoDB. And also, I'm saying that if the tool returns zero, which is the count of results, like the if the query is about names, companies, and the result is zero, the LLM should respond saying that I couldn't find any matching contacts in your database. So yeah, that was all about the instruction. Model is this. Now the main part is adding the tool. I'll add the tool that I created, which is the contacts lookup. And in the end, I'll create the agent. Now, if I go to here, my agents, I'll see that agent got created named contact agent. Now I can use this contact agent to query all the contacts that I have saved in my database. Let me try now. Okay, so I'll say that give me an info on the contacts. Let's say latest contacts. So it should call the search contacts tool, which it did, and returned me the response as name, Piyush, company, Winterfell, and other fields. So let's go a step further and upload the CSV from here. So this is the 1000 rows CSV. Let me upload it. So yeah, it got all uploaded here. This is pagination. I can, look up to multiple contacts. I can search for a contact. Let's search for Raksha. Yeah, I see four contacts named Raksha. Now, what I'll do, I'll create a new chat, or I can continue this one also. Let me ask that give me a list of all the companies. It should call the search contacts tool again, and it returned me these companies. Let me ask more about the companies, like give me, yeah, who works at this company. It gave me Vaishnavi Bhatta works. So let me check if it is really true. So if I open Vaishnavi Bhatta, I see she indeed works in Loke Group. Uh, so yeah, that was the whole flow. This is how things are working so far.